What if I told you there's a dog that weighs just 30 kilograms, but can pull a vehicle that weighs an entire ton? You probably wouldn't believe me, not until you see a Pitbull for yourself. Today, we're talking about one of the most controversial dogs in all of history, the Pitbull, and we're going to find out why so many experts and specialists consider it the strongest dog on the planet. The Pitbull isn't just a strong dog, it's a dog that was literally built to be a muscle machine. Its muscles are abnormally dense for its size. Most pit bulls weigh between 20 and 35 kilograms, yet their pulling force can sometimes exceed 300 kilograms. And this isn't just talk. In international weight pulling competitions, pit bulls consistently outperform dogs twice their size. What also sets them apart is their jaw, considered one of the most powerful among all dog breeds, with a bite pressure exceeding 235 pounds per square inch. That puts them at the very top of the rankings across every breed. Physical strength alone doesn't make you the strongest. Real strength lives in the mind. The Pitbull is known for its exceptional pain tolerance, and that's not a flaw, it's an advantage that allows it to push through a mission even in the most brutal conditions. It also has incredibly high emotional stability. It doesn't panic easily, and it doesn't back down under pressure. Military and law enforcement experts in many countries around the world use pit bulls for high-risk operations, precisely because of their ability to stay focused and get the job done without distraction. Think about any elite athlete. What makes them truly great is the combination of strength, speed, and endurance. The Pitbull has all three. It has a relatively large heart for its body size, highly efficient muscles, and the ability to run and jump for extended periods without tiring quickly. And this is the part most people overlook. The Pitbull is one of the most loyal dogs to its owner in the entire world. And this isn't just an emotional statement, it's a fact that directly impacts its performance. A dog that loves its owner and is deeply bonded to them will give everything it has. And the Pitbull lives for that loyalty. Raise it right, and it will be willing to do anything for you. That's what separates it from other dogs that may be physically larger, because the size of a fighter isn't just in its body. It's in its heart too. The Pitbull is not naturally aggressive. The Pitbull is naturally a warrior. There's a big difference. It doesn't choose aggression. It chooses loyalty, strength, and perseverance. And that's exactly why, in the eyes of many specialists, trainers, and scientists, it is the strongest of them all. Not because of its size, not because it's intimidating, but because it brings together in one body raw physical power, intelligence, endurance, and unwavering loyalty. If you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe, and let us know in the comments, what do you think is the strongest dog in the world?